Hi, before you click on this video or not, I just want to let you know that this is the most random video ever. Like, you can't even imagine what happened. It's the most random video ever, and it's kind of a social experiment. So what's so nice? Oh yeah, example. But I would watch this video by way of you, but it's a very random video. Please, I'm not always like this. My next video should be better than this in Jesus' name. Don't unsubscribe from my channel. Stay with me, please. Stay with me. Hi, good day. I'm having an unproductive afternoon. And this was not with thought, but it's just not a bad idea to as well just shoot a YouTube video, right? Okay, so far I have ordered a mic. Is it a mic? Yeah, I've ordered a mic, and I've ordered a selfie stick. What is a selfie stick? It's like, I think it's a camera stand, that's what it's called. Yeah, and that is me investing in my channel, I guess, and that is me investing in me. Finally, I'm not having any creators block or whatever. I'm beginning to see the negative sides of this stuff, because now, like, one of the things that motivates me to leave my house is content. Someone says let's go out. I think the first thing that comes to my mind is, can I record this? I don't know, like, should I just go on a break? Like, I want to go on a break, but then when I realize I've only made 2 videos, I'm like, maybe I'm not just cut out for this stuff. Maybe I'm just a fraud. Maybe I wasn't even meant to start a channel in the first place, and I just, like, I don't even know. But that just goes to tell you, like, it's easier to think stuff than to actually do it. Yep. Anyway, might as well just film. Should I, like, put on lip gloss? Alright, so what do I want to talk to you about? I've been thinking video ideas. So far I have 3. I have one which I call jackpot fever, and I'm still thinking of who is the best person to, because I don't even feel I have enough experience to talk about it, right? I would like to also interview someone that has experience in jackpotting. I've been thinking, who is a good candidate? I think I should reach out to someone I think now is a good candidate for that video. Another one I have is well, I've not decided on the title, but it's like a video that shows like what I do to balance my life as a grad student, like how I have fun. I feel like I'm the most boring person. Who is cutting onions? What else? So the third one that's getting in my head is items to pack when traveling, because I have stuff in my fridge now, but I know like in a couple of months they will be consumed, so that'll be a good time, I guess, to shoot that. Oh, also I have, like, my laptop just came in. This is like my second time buying a laptop. And I'm thinking, should I or should I not post it on like my socials? Because to me, buying a laptop is like second to buying a car, so it's like, it's kind of an achievement. I remember like years back, I've always wanted to change my laptop. I got my first laptop in 2000 and I think 16, 17, doing my undergraduate IT. I saved up money and I got the laptop, and I told myself then, I said the next time I'm buying a laptop is going to be brand new from the box. So when I graduated from school, I knew it was a good time to change my laptop, right? Because it wasn't serving most of my needs, but I could not afford it for a very long time. And now I can. So I feel like it's a big deal to me, but at the same time, I'm imagining what people would be like, what's this girl's problem? So you buy a laptop and you're updating your media, and really, like, yeah. So now to me, it's like, where is the thin line? Like, where is the line between, say, showing off or creating content and then just living? because living is also, good. The other time I was talking to my cousin, and he was like, anyway, he doesn't understand a lot of things. No offense to you, but he was like, oh, I saw your video on winter shopping, and I saw the video because it was you, and I wanted to just see you shop and stuff. But at the back of my mind, I was wondering, why are you making a video of yourself going shopping? And I was like, but you entertain when you watch the video. He was like, it's because I know you, that's why I watch the video. But nowadays I won't just go to YouTube and type shopping for winter clothes or whatever. And I said, what did I even answer himself? Normally I know that he does not understand a lot of things that I do, but it's nice that he still watched the video. Some people did not, some people I know, and obviously you have a choice what you spend your time doing on YouTube. So I don't expect like everybody I know to like watch my videos, but I expect everybody I know to subscribe to my channel. Hey, if I don't like about it, but anyway. So I told him, I said, one, I thought it was fun because before I traveled, I used to have fun like watching people's experience when they're shopping outside the country, or and then two, I said, God, I don't know whether my neighbor is fried or not. I'm joking. Two, I said that some people do not have an idea whether or not they want to shop for their winter clothes before they travel or not. So like that could be a useful video. Like if you're wondering what it looks like out there, that's also an insightful video. And then three is shopping. Like it's fun. They were like, to me, what was fun with me watching the video, it had like funny comments here and there and stuff. It's not everything is about education. Some things is just fun, and sometimes like you don't even know that you're like getting, like you're like experiencing what someone else experienced. So now you're like more experienced, even though you haven't gone shopping yourself, stuff like that. But some people don't understand. Anyway, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Why am I making this video? I was not having a productive day. I have stuff to do. I have stuff to grade. I put my clothes in the laundry, so when it's done, I have to put it in the dryer and then organize my wardrobe. I have to cook because I have stew, I have soup, so I have to make jollof rice and then make swallow because God, I'm hungry or I'm tired. And then what else do I have to do? Oh, I have to unbox my laptop. Am I going to vlog it? I don't know. I also realized that I'm terrible. I thought I would be good with the camera, but I just realized that I'm not the best. So it's nice realizing all the stuff that I'm not good at. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Anyway, should I just end this video with it being a productive video? I did not even have photo before I started recording this video. Maybe I would just upload it to just show that, I'm crazy. Oh, look at me, I don't even look good. Oh well. I should have at least put on lip gloss, right? But I want to end this video as a simple video. This is just rantings. Blank. Anyway, guys, thank you for clicking this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm not your ex. I did not do anything to you. I would never do anything to you. Bye. I've decided I'm going to upload this video because I'm crazy. Oh, I put on my gloves. And if you have watched this video to this point, you're as crazy as I am. I don't know how people unbox laptops, but yep, this is my new baby. Should I name this laptop? Because it means so much to me. Jesus, I can't wait for my camera stand to come next week so I can stop videoing with my hands. It's not working. Okay. Hey! Are you for real? Damn! My baby. My precious. Whoa. Whoa. It came with a mouse pad or whatever it's called. Damn! Oh my god! Insane! Man. It's just the perfect laptop. It's just the perfect color. I don't know how to test a good laptop, but yeah. I'll probably get this soon. Oh my god! It has silver pads. I wanted black. Anyway, it's screen touch too, so I have to be careful with you. My precious. Welcome. I love you so much. This is a 32 gig and I think 1 terabyte system, so it's going to be with me for a very long time. I can put the link in the description because I got it for like a very good deal. So that was like, I was supposed to wait until my birthday to get this and wait until my birthday to get like my camera stand, but I was like, nope, because it was a good deal. I didn't want inflation to catch up with it, so yeah. I feel like I just made a YouTube video. Oh, choke. Medal. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to edit anything out. This is it. This is my YouTube video. Yes. If you watched the video to this point, you must be really bored. I hope you're entertained. But no offense. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you. Please, I'm not always like this. My next video should be better than this in Jesus' name. Don't unsubscribe from my channel. Stay with me, please. Stay with me. Thank you.